I'm STEK Michael, and beside me is this beautiful 1997 Porsche Carrera in Vesuvio Metallic. Now this is an extremely rare car, and so it's meriting what it's in for, the DYNOshield treatment. But this is a special one because it is using our new updated DYNOshield. Now this product introduces a brand new cap sheet, which is fully tunnel proof. For our installers, that means it's going to be a lot easier to handle for them, and the benefit for you guys is that there's going to be no imperfections in the film. When you remove the cap sheet, it's the first time the film's ever exposed to air and thus contamination. So we like to leave that on as long as possible, and now our installers get to handle something a little bit more friendly. The other great benefit is that this top coat has more fluorine. That's going to aid in more UV resistance and resistance against degradation from contamination or stains. That means that keeping this film looking as good as possible for as long as possible is now easier. The other great benefit is that it shares the hydrophobic and self-healing top coat that we've learned to love in all the rest of the DYNOseries. That means that water is going to bead right off the surface, just like it has a ceramic coating, because it's infused with one. And that means maintenance is going to be a lot easier for you. The other added benefit of that self-healing top coat is light surface scratches from washing or just driving down the road is going to self-heal with the application of heat. That could be from hot water or sunshine if you live in a warm area. Now, this car definitely deserves the protection. As we get some close-up shots, you guys will see just how good condition it is in, and now this next owner is going to be driving with the ultimate peace of mind. The team at Vital Energy Motorsports is doing an excellent job though, so if it looks similar now as it does when it's done, that's because the installation is just as quality as possible and each of those edges are wrapped. So if you guys are interested in getting paint protection film so you can also enjoy your car, enjoy that open road without having to worry about light damage to the car, definitely check us out, drop us a comment below, and we'll be happy to help.